have my Graffiti Delta Wing back out here today, and I have switched out my Gem Fan Wind Dancer 3028 3-blade prop for a Gem Fan Hurricane 3630 3-blade prop. I want to get a little bit more power out of this system, and I think that is going to give it to me. Although I have to say, on 3S with the 3028 prop, it has excellent performance. You know, no problems there. I just want to try it with a little more power. All right, launching. I launched at 50% throttle. I think maybe I could have launched at it about 40% throttle. I'm really backed off on it now. It looks like I'm going to be able to cruise around at 40% throttle. I really like this airframe. It is very stable, very forgiving. It's very aerobatic. It has a great slow flight capability. Very floaty. We're in fully stabilized mode right now. Okay, I just switched it into gyro mode, which is wind mitigation mode. Just want to check it out and see what kind of power we've got now. Oh yeah, how about that? I think it has a lot of power now. Okay, let's try that again. If I could hold it completely vertical, I'd say it's got unlimited vertical now. That's awesome. That is such an aerobatic delta wing. Okay, I'm completely happy with it now. Let's try the deadly trifecta. Alright, we'll do the split S. Into the loop. Into the victory roll. Yeah, I like it even more now. I will try to remember to put links to everything in the show notes. You know, there's a plug-and-fly version, a plug-and-fly kit version, and there's a kit that doesn't have any electronics, and I will have links to all the electronics to get it set up and flying the way mine does with that kind of power. That is great. That is a great amount of power. I stated it before, but this is a really great candidate for flying indoors in the winter time, because it is very maneuverable, and you can fly it really slowly. And you can fly it in a very tight virtual box, you know. So yeah, look at that. Yeah, you're not going to have a problem flying this indoors in the winter. And it's my all-up weight with a 3S LiPo, I think, is around 150 grams, so it's very lightweight. Look how tight and axial those rolls are. That is some good power. It's a little breezy out this morning. There we go. Alright, I'm making one more circuit and we'll bring it in. I'm just going to leave it in gyro mode, it's so stable. Dump it over here in the tall weeds. there we go. Stay tuned for more flights with this Delta Wing. Links to everything will be in the show notes and in the pinned comment below the video. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the air.